remove. Mother can move his leg freely, or swimmings are recommended even.
Yeah, because initially they advise intermittently. They are doing at home intermittently.
Initially,
Like they are taking for
only
some
by the
time and again
health
then.
professional. Yeah. Initially,
Yeah,
only by the
initially,
health
yeah,
professional.
yeah.
After certain period of time, they will learn you how to remove, as you told.
Hmm.
So this is actually when they will be off from this pelvic harness. Uh, Baby can move his leg freely, and even the swimmings are recommended.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Like length of the harness, like how long the baby should wear the harness, will be determined by the follow-up scans and examination by a physiotherapist and orthopedic surgeon.
Yes.
It is not
Yes.
fixed in every
The,
baby that we can quote also there.
Dr. Vakar, this
Yes,
scenario,
Dr. Ren.
yeah, you did good actually. I just wanted to know, it was a dislocated hip already or not dislocated but DDH? What's the difference?
Because they wrote the confirmed dislocated hip.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the dislocation, because the difference in between dislocated hip and without dislocated, only congenital dysplasia of the hip. Some cases in which the femur goes out of acetabulum.
No, I know about that, but the explanation then, will go different. If it is dislocated, then, it needs urgent orthopedic referral, urgent fixation by the pelvic harness. But if it is DDH, mild or moderate dysplasia, then you don't need to make any urgent intervention. You just do the follow-up. There's a guideline. This topic is given in the neonatal guideline, I think. 2 weeks.
That one you
6 weeks.
say
No.
That is DDH, but not dislocation.
No, that one
No.
is dislocatable.
Yes, dislocatable. That is DDH. But
Yeah.
if it is dislocated, then how you will approach? That is the point here. Will you change
So
the
we will
approach of
we will
advice?
offer the bone doctor, like we will refer you, and what he will do, he will apply this.
Yeah,
Because
Because I
orthopedic
read the
surgeon will
guidelines
apply.
in that condition,
Hmm.
I didn't find this thing that we should urgent refer. They said within 2 weeks ultrasound and these things. In
Actually,
older
this is
babies,
that
be
is
in
a
older
required.
high
babies,
risk.
if baby's age, if childhood or in older babies, yes, need to be.
If it is high risk, if there is a family history, if there is a positive click, you have to do in 2 weeks. But when it is already joint is already out of the socket, then urgent fixation and urgent orthopedic referral.
I will read it. I will see. Because I understand that in the older babies, if dislocated, need to be urgent. But otherwise, newborn babies within 1 week is okay.
Yeah,
Within
yeah.
first 2 weeks.
They have written in the leaflet that if the newborn baby and within 2 weeks you will do the jelly scan and confirm your finding, then you will
2 weeks,
refer to
yes.
the before the 2 weeks of life. And if it is
Yeah.
already 6 months old, then you will do the surgery, reduction surgery, that one open or closed reduction.
Close.
That one is
Yeah,
enough.
this is later on. Yeah, this may be the different scenario.
After 6.
Okay, so anyone else has the feedback?
So what will we say? Like who will apply this pelvic harness?
Orthopedic.
Orthopedic, they
So
are
we
doing.
will yes. So we will tell first the diagnosis. Did you explain it like orthopedic surgeon? Did you said like bones
We will
doctor?
diagnosis and everything. We will arrange an appointment and also ultrasound.
Okay.
So the next is about the history. It's supposed
Dr.
to be
Irfan told
Dr.
he will come, but maybe 10 minutes.
He told you? He messaged you?
Yes, I think 10 minutes.
Okay.
I don't
So
know.
we can wait 10 minutes. So during this 10 minutes, we will do another scenario. And this could be the surprise scenario, but we will do from the previous scenarios, not that new scenario, because we already did the many scenarios. Anyone can be the role player.
I'm okay.
Role player, okay. So role player is Hiren. Okay, so the role is pediatric specialist registrar. Setting is outpatient clinic. You are talking to Mr. Jenkins, father of 18-month-old Holly. Holly has primary ciliary dyskinesia, and although her general health is good, she suffers from recurrent chest infections which require prolonged stays in hospital for IV antibiotic therapy. IV access is always difficult, and it is becoming more distressing for both Holly and her parents each time she is admitted to hospital. At the last clinic appointment, the possibility of port insertion was raised with her parents, and they have returned today to explore this option further. So the task is discussed with Mr. Jenkins, the advantages and disadvantages of portal-cath insertion for his daughter, and try to answer any questions he may have.
Okay.
Okay, so Dr. Helen is the role player. So the Dr. Rohel, will you be the candidate?
Mhm.
I think you did before this, right?
Yes, you can be candidate.
No, I already did.
If
So
no, if
Dr.
you
Defak,
want to be role player,
are you there?
I can be the candidate also. Either way is fine with me.
These are the surprise scenarios.
If you want to play a role player, it's also okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, I can be the role player. Dr. Hiren, you can do.
Okay. All right. So somebody set the time.
Okay, I will set the time. No problem. Are you going to start now?
Yeah, just give me 1 minute, few seconds.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. I'm ready.
Okay. Start the time. Start the time.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
I am Dr. Hiren, one of the doctor here. I believe I am talking to Miss Jenkinson, mother of Holly.
Yes, doctor, I am Mr. Jenkins, father of Holly.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Jenkins, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming today. So
Nice to meet you too, doctor.
you are most welcome, Mr. Jenkinson. So today I am here to discuss with you regarding a procedure and the plans for Holi. Would you like anyone else to attend with you?
No, doctor, I am here alone. My wife is actually, she was busy, so that's why I have come here alone. You can discuss it with me.
Okay. So, Mr. Jenkinson, as you know, Holi has this condition and called primary ciliary dyskinesia, and he needs frequent IV antibiotic. So, I guess uh, the our team doctor previously discussed with you regarding possible need of portacath insertion.
Yes, doctor, you are right. We are very much worried regarding the condition of Holly. Like he is becoming much more like like difficult to handle right now because of these repeated passage of IV lines and so we are very much concerned regarding his condition.
Yes.
And yes, doctor have told us about this, but we are not sure like whether we should go for it or not.
Yes, yes, Mr. Jenkins. And so today I'm here to discuss about this Potaket insertion procedure and possible how it needs further care. So, what are your update regarding this? What are your worries for this procedure? What are
Yes,
your
doctor. Actually, yes. So actually, I have not heard much about this procedure. So, like this, I have listened from many people and also search on the net, Google. Like it is a long procedure and it would be done by putting him some sleep. So, and it can be distressing for him as well. And I don't know like whether this procedure would be beneficial for him or not. And there could be some disadvantages as well.
Yes, I can understand your worry, but let me explain you, Mr. Jenkinson. See, this procedure is called like insertion of the Potaket. Potaket basically it's a kind of the access which helps in giving the anti-bug therapy as well as also it helps us in I'm trying to draw but I cannot. I don't know why. Yeah, whenever we need to do any blood test or blood sampling, also we can easily do if we have a Potaket. As well as it also minimize the suffering because sometimes we try a lot and we don't get the IV access. Are you with me so far?
Yes, doctor. But doctor, you know that he is very small child. So would not this procedure be difficult for him?
Yes, Mr.
Why can't we just continue this IV lines?
Yes, I can understand your worry, but there is an expert team. They do this procedure. Actually, it is done with the help of the sleep medicine and the specialized doctor in that anesthetist doctor. They uh, give a sleep medicine so Holy will not feel a pain. And the expert surgeon, they do this procedure. They are very well expert, and it is done under total full precaution where there is very minimal chance of infection. And generally so far we have all good outcome with those who have gone through this procedure. I can give you a couple of reference and the numbers also. You can talk to those parents also if you have a still worry about this.
Okay, doctor. Okay.
So Mr. Jenkinson, uh, do you have any other concern?
Yes, doctor. So how will you proceed this?
Yes, this is very good question. I was about to talk to you. Actually, after giving the sleep medicine, the surgeon they do this procedure under the operation theater with full aseptic precaution. And with this procedure, the chances of success is very high. But as you know, Mr. Jenkinson, every procedure has some complication also. There are some element of the possibility of infection, some possibility of you know
So doctor, there could be some like some dangerous or some side effects. So
yes,
this thing I'm very much worried or I'm very much afraid of these side effects.
yes, Mr. Jenkinson. In rare possibility, there can be trauma to the lungs. There can be some bleeding. This may happen, but these chances are very rare and very less. And also, there are many experts who can, even if this complication arise, we can deal with this issue.
Okay, 6 minutes over. Okay.
Yes. Yes. So, Mr. Jenkinson, if you don't have any other concern, I would like to summarize what we have discussed.
Yes, doctor, I want to ask a few questions. Like, do I need to opt any precautionary measures after this procedure?
Yes, this is a very good question, Mr. Jenkinson. After doing this procedure, there will be dressing covered on this Potoketh site, and once the dressing is removed and this area is healed nicely, then generally he can do the holy can take a even shower also, and can do even swimming also. Some basic precaution which you need to keep in mind is, if in case of any redness of that area, or if it gets blocked, or if there is any dislodgement happens, which is very unlikely, you need to contact to the stoma specialty nurse. They are expert in, or you can also consult to GP if any of such things happens, and will immediately will uh, advise you how to manage this problem.
Okay, so doctor, you are now sure that this needle or this Potoketh, it will not be removed again and again as it was happening in case of IV line.
Yes, generally it does not get dislodged, and also no need to remove very frequently, but in most of the cases, uh, hardly we changes at the like period of 6 months. And
Okay.
we also do, like whenever you visit the hospital, we also have a look on, like even it can be looked by the GP also whenever you visit the GP for your routine visit, and will give you the leaflet which contains all the information as well as the contact number. So if at any point of time, if you have any concern or question, we would be happy to answer that. So
Okay.
are you with me? Am I clear so far, Mr. Jenkinson?
Yes. 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 Doctor.
So, Mr. Jenkinson, I think I have gave you a lot of information at the point of time. So now I would like to give you some trusted website address as well as the leaflet, and you can go through it. And also, I will arrange a meeting with the surgeon who is doing this procedure. He will also will talk to you in little bit more detail about this procedure. And despite of that, any concern or a question if you have, you can always contact. We will arrange a next meeting.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jenkinson, for your time. I wish you a very speedy recovery to Holly.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Yes, Dr.
Okay. So yes, so Dr. Helen, you did very well. Like without any preparation and just in 1 minute you prepared it. I think the first thing, like the name should be right,
Yeah.
because you did not understand the name of the father. I think like you have not written it anywhere and you were not seeing the name on the paper. That's why. Okay. And initially, yes, we were saying the mother, although it was his father. So we should be very much clear regarding this, because yes, I think that these are the very like big mistakes there regarding their spellings, like on their like are they father or the mother. And did you explain me the procedure? You did not explain to me the procedure. You started explaining the side effects.
Uh, yeah, I did not explain much. Actually, I wanted to draw, but with when recording is on, no, there is a problem. This option somehow it's not coming.
Okay. Yes, initially you started to explain it to me, but after one or two line you jumped to the another thing, like
Actually,
I
I
guess
tried
you
to.
started showing empathy something. Then I again asked you like, yes, now how will you proceed it? Then I think you just like started telling me the side effects. That's why I just asked you like, okay, so it would be like much harmful for him and this and that. Because side effects, I think like side effects we should tell the parents when they will ask, or if they are not asking it, then at the end we will explain to them the side effects.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, these were the like some like organization like procedure we should tell the parents. Now how will you tell the procedure?
Procedure, I think I will just let me see this drawing. Why I'm not able to draw? So I will just draw like it is. Autocad is just like this catheter which we put into the line, something like this.
So will we say catheter, or we can just say a simple tube or a hollow tube
Yeah, it's a
or a
tube
device?
structure
Hmm.
or tube like a device
Hmm.
which is made up of metal as well as a plastic, and this metal part will stay beneath the skin. Hmm?
Hmm.
And,
And into the one of the larger blood channels in the chest.
yeah, and this plastic part, cannula part, which will be inside the blood tubes.
Hmm.
And you will see there will be button-like structure or swelling, which will be there prominent in onto the skin.
Hmm. Okay, so we will tell like there are two parts, one part inside the chest and one part is outside. So through outside we will give the medicines, but this outside part will also remain under the skin, because parents can ask regarding the cosmetic concern
Yeah.
when he will become like a teenager. So he can be could be bullied at that time because of this tube.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So this was like, I think it was deficient. Otherwise, yes, you address all the concerns very well with empathy and with details.
Okay. There was one more thing like for heparin also, I think we do something like hip lock, but I don't
For
remember exactly. We also put some unit of heparin into that.
sorry, I did not get your question.
Hip lock. Like because the chances of getting block of this portaket, so we put some
Okay.
unit of
Yes. Yes.
heparin.
So we will flush this line. Every 4 weekly we need to flush this line.
How frequently? 4 weekly or
Four
two?
weekly. It is four. No, I have written it like it's 4 weekly, and it should be by trained nurse. Or I think like parents may also get trained. Or I think like I have written it by the trained nurse. So
Okay.
4 weekly need to be flushed.
Okay.
Okay, anyone else has the comments on this? Okay, so if no one, then we'll go for the history. Actually, Dr. Irfan supposed to be the candidate, but he's not available. Maybe he's busy, and even he did not confirm.
I sent
So
him
anyone
message.
else?
He did not answer me. No. Before he
Maybe
said
he's busy.
he will be free in.
So already 15 minutes has passed. So no problem. Anyone else is willing to do this history scenario? It is actually type 1 diabetes and morning hyperglycemia in 12-year-old. For the history, detailed history. Anyone wants to do?
If no one is there, I will do. Otherwise, anybody else, I'm okay with a role player also.
No, role player, I think Dr. Rifat. Dr. Rifat is there. So okay, you may do if Dr. Irfan is not there. But Dr. Rifat, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Busy.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so the candidate is Dr. Hiren and role player is Dr. Rifat. Dr. Ruhail, can you set the time?
Dr. Waqar, how much time is remaining?
I will reconnect it. Yes, you're right. Okay. Because it's not that much time. Okay, I'll reconnect it.